On the move this morning, we got RTRX down almost 30%, over 1 million traded pre-market in play. DKS almost 8% up, almost 800,000 traded pre-market in play. JWN almost 9% up this morning, over 540,000 traded pre-market in play. We got quite a few here that are in play this morning. We also stream these every weekday morning around 8 o'clock alongside market gauges SPY, QQQ, DIA, and VXX. If you're interested, you can check that out every weekday morning around 8:30. So let's get to it. SPLK, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. There it goes. I was way too late. If I would have just waited. Oh, look at that thing drop. Unbelievable. I missed that one. I was going to get in that earlier, but I don't like getting in on that first candle because the first candle, usually if you get on the first candle, you always get the short end of the stick. You know, you want to wait after that first candle because you want to see what's really going on. First candle is just, a lot of noise. But not in this case. Look at that thing. 3 points. KEYS. We're going to take this for a long right here at the bid if we can get in. All right, we're in. We're in at 93.41. Data looks good for a long. Consolidated in this area for a bit, and then it blasted off. Intraday it gaps up and it drops, and it just about hit the 9 and it started to climb, and now it's going down. So stop loss is going to be below 92.50 and target's going to be 94.50. Market's climbing though, so I think this thing will climb, but we're at our stop here and it's not looking good. I'm not going to come out of it just yet because it just got to my stop, so it'll probably bounce here for a little bit. Spread is big. It's 30-cent spread, so. But if it don't climb soon, we're going to come out of it. We're going to come out of this, actually. We're out. We're out of this. I don't like it. It should have climbed. It didn't. We lost about 90 cents. SPLK, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. I think this thing is going to drop hard here. All right, we're in. SPLK at 119.57. Daily looks good for a short. It had climbed, but then it crashed. Tried climbing again, and now it crashed again. So intraday it gaps down, and it gaps down, and it just continues downtrend. And here it comes. It looks like here we go. Let's see if we can get a full point on this one. Get back what we lost on KEYS here. So stop loss on this will be over 120.25 area, and target I like 118.50. But the market is not on our side. If we look at the market here, it is on fire. But this stock doesn't care. It's not listening to the market. It's just dropping. So I think it's going to drop. All right, here it comes. I think once it breaks 119, we see 118 fairly shortly. All right, here it comes. All right, we broke. All right, we're going to try to take this right here if we can. All right, we're out of 100. All right, I'm going to chase this because I don't like staying in 50s. All right, we're out. Actually, we got the full point. Close to it, like a few cents short of a full point. Roku, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. That's a nice big fat red candle. I think it has more continuation in it if we can get hit. All right, we're in at 138.09. Daily looks terrible for a short. Look at this thing. But if you think about it, this thing is up quite a bit and it needs a pullback. And today it tried to climb here. Intraday it tried to climb. Nice big fat green candle there. Chopped around a little bit there over yesterday's close. And then we put in a really big fat red candle there. That thing's huge. Target will be around 137 and stop loss will be 139. We're going to give this a point either way. But it is risky because the daily is like super strong. And look at it. Now it's climbing. All right, we're going to come out of Roku right here at the bid here if we can get out of this. Should have dropped there at 38. It didn't. All right, we're going to chase this a little bit here. continuously climbing here. This thing is going to blast over the top. Let's get out of this. There it goes. It's still going. Just want to get out of this. I don't want to get out at the top there. I want to see if we can at least hit the bid here and come out of this. All right, we're out of 100. All right, we're going to come out of this, the rest of this here. All right, we're out. We're out with a 50-cent loser. Now, when I saw this big red candle here, I said this sucker's going to drop, and it didn't. NFLX, we're going to take this short right here at the ask if we can get hit. All right, we're in. We are in. Day looks great for a short. This thing's been downtrending for quite some time now, and we're selling into strength. So we think this thing's going to drop here. So target on this is going to be, I'm thinking 298, and stop loss will be 300. NFLX doesn't look good here. Should have dropped already. NFLX, all right, we're putting in a nice big fat red candle here. See if we can get this down to 298. I like to get it below 298. Ah, here it comes. Here it comes. Look at the size of that big fat red candle there. Come on, a little bit more. All right, here it comes. Once it breaks 298, we'll probably take it. Usually when you get a big candle like that, there's follow through, usually. Especially if the stock is down for the day. But this stock is up for today, so. NFLX, all right, we're going to take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. Nice. Nice. A little over a point. A little over a point, and it's still dropping. Yeah, this stock can move, you know. SPLK, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. We can get hit. All right, we are in with 100. All right, full in. Now, it has dropped quite a bit, but we think this thing has more drop in it. I mean, look at that. We had taken it earlier around 119.50 area, and we took a full point out of it, and it dropped. Consolidated for a bit here around 119 area, and then it dropped again. Now it's consolidating here. Oh, and here it goes. It's consolidating here at the 117. I think we see 116. Target will be around 116, and stop loss will be over 118, but I think this thing's going to drop here. I might take it a little earlier. Oh, here we go. Here we go. It's got momentum. It's got volume. Here it comes. We broke 216. You know what? I'm going to try to take this right here just in case. I'll take a scalp. All right, we're out. Nice. I'll take that. We took, what did we take? Close to 70 cents. Roku, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. Second trade on it. We took it earlier, and we took a 50-cent loss on it, so we got a little squeeze going on here, but market's dropping, so we think this thing drops. It's very extended to the top side. All right, we're in. We're in at 138.01. It's pretty extended to the top side, and the market's dropping, so I think people are going to want to take their profits. So stop loss on this will be 139, and target we like it 137. But we'll take it or get out of it somewhere in between if we have to. Depends. If the market starts to scream, we'll get out of it earlier. And if we see that momentum is shriveling up to the downside, then we'll get out of it earlier too. I mean, you know, everything depends on market conditions and volume, momentum, so on. But we got a bull flag forming here, which isn't good. Might have to come out of this sooner than later just because of the daily. The daily is super strong, so if it don't drop soon, we're going to come out of it. Roku, look at that. It's coming our way now. It's looking good here. Oh, there it goes. Right back up again. But the market looks like, if we look at the market here, it's tipping to the downside. We'll see what happens once it reaches yesterday's close. If it continues below yesterday's close, I think this will be a good trade. If it bounces, then we'll probably have to get out of Roku. All right, Roku. We got about, what is that, 20 cents or so? I think it drops some more here. I'd like to at least get 50 cents. I think we can get 50 cents. Here it comes. Oh. All right, we're going to come out of this right here if we can. All right, we're out. We're out for about 50 cents. It's probably going to drop here because of the market. If we look at the market here, the market is just downtrending. And I should have stayed in the trade, but this daily is just unbelievably strong. If we look at the daily here, we got a bull flag, cup and handle, ready to explode over 140. And I kept looking at this trade as, it's extended. It's gonna be sold off if the market drops, and that's why I went in it, because the market was dropping, and I figured people are gonna take this. But what happens with these stocks is, if the market climbs, a lot of the shorts will have to cover, and the stock just goes and goes and goes, But that's gonna be it for us today. I don't really see anything else that looks good. Plus the market's already at the lows, so we'll probably get a bounce sometime soon, maybe. So we're going to keep it green. We're up 256. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 4 winners and 2 losers. Our biggest winner on NFLX and our biggest loser on KEYS. Thanks for watching.